how to change caption and subtitle language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. And in here, tap on caption preference, and then tap on more options. Now tap on language and scroll down from the list and select a language that you would like to use. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.